Don't miss these activities in Sun Kingdom Mana Hills and wait till the end to see the most exciting one. Welcome to part 3 of our Bana Hill series with a toddler where I share each and every detail with you. So we directly came to Sun Kingdom from Golden Bridge and I have mentioned all the details why we did so. This is the biggest area of Bana Hills where most of the activities are there and it is so huge that you have to plan it really well. For the map link and the itinerary, comment below and I'll share. As soon as you get down you see this activity, but there was a huge line so I did not do this. You can try for sure. Everything was so pretty that you have to stop at every spot and get a picture clicked. As soon as we entered, we saw a live show was also happening, which was so good. Few seconds of the clip won't justify the performance, so I'm posting them on the stories, so don't miss it. Don't forget to take all your essentials in a bag, including water bottle and stroller, because you have to walk a lot. It can be exhausting, but it will be worth every minute. And don't forget to use wheelchair accessible paths. While Ravi was sleeping in a restaurant in her stroller, we did the most exciting activity, that is the Alpine coaster. Yes, two people can sit together and it is a self-driven roller coaster ride and you will enjoy it like anything. It is so much fun. Take the longest route and you will thank me later. All the details about the prices I have mentioned in the caption and go around 1 to 2 p.m. for the lesser crowd. By the time she woke up, we went to the French village and it was so pretty. Clouds started coming in. It was so beautiful everywhere. So many real flowers and roses around. And then we went to another castle to watch another show and Ravi was enjoying a lot. All the details about the show I am mentioning on the stories. Weather got little hot and humid, so we decided to go to the fantasy park. ये इंडोर्स है और अगर वेदर कंडीशन कैसा भी हो बाहर आप अंदर आ जाइए और अंदर बच्चे इतना एंजॉय करते हैं. पेरेंट्स आराम से यहाँ पे रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं. बाहर एरिया है और यहाँ पे इतनी राइड्स और एक्टिविटीज़ हैं कि बच्चे आराम से खेल सकते हैं. सो यू कैन हैव योर गाला टाइम हियर इफ़ यू वांट टू रिलैक्स, चिल और प्ले. हाँ, हर एज ग्रुप के बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ ज़रूर थी. एंड इफ़ योर किड्स लव डायनासोर्स देन द प्लेस वॉज हेवन फॉर देम. और कुछ चीज़ें हमने भी करी, जैसे कि बम्पर राइड बहुत फन थी. Clicked a lot of pictures and right after Fantasy Park, we skipped this area and went to this one. The reason I'll tell you in the next episode, so follow me and share this video with somebody who is planning a trip to Vietnam soon.